All right, cruise travelers, let's be honest. If you've ever found yourself surrounded by a tiny mountain of suitcases staring at your closet thinking, but what if there's a formal night, and a pirate night, and a spontaneous 80s dance party? This one's for you. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 signs you've definitely overpacked for your cruise. Trust me, I've seen it all. Heck, I've been that guy. You know who you are. Number 5, you need a luggage cart just for your carry-on. Yeah, you heard me right. That carry-on is less of a bag and more of a gym session. If you're huffing, puffing, and zigzagging through the cruise terminal, blocking traffic because you've got a suitcase the size of a small car, guess what? You might be in the Overpackers Club. Bonus points if you break a sweat before you even hit the security line. Number 4, you packed 15 pairs of socks for a 7-day cruise. Look, I respect the commitment to foot hygiene, but unless you're planning on changing socks after every swim, snack, and shuffleboard tournament, you probably don't need your entire sock drawer at sea. If your bag's bursting at the seams with neatly rolled socks and you're running sock inventory before you even leave the house, it's time to dial it back. Number 3, you brought more shoes than days on the cruise. Now I get it. There's formal night, pool deck, excursions, maybe even a gym shoe or two. But do you really need backup flip-flops for your backup flip-flops? If your suitcase looks like the clearance section at a shoe store and you're holding family meetings over which pair gets left behind, you've officially crossed into overpacking territory. Number 2, your outfits have their own itinerary. I'm talking spreadsheets, color-coded hangers, sticky notes, maybe even a Google Doc titled Cruise Fashion Master Plan. If you've got a day 1 brunch look, a day 2 poolside emergency fit, and a day 4 evening but might be rainy ensemble, congratulations. You're not packing, you're curating a wardrobe tour. If your clothes are traveling better than you, it's time to reconsider. And finally, number 1, you had to pay extra for your luggage, and then some. If you're standing at the airline counter, watching that scale tick upward, and the attendant hits you with, "That'll be $175 for your overweight bag," you know you've taken it too far. Seriously, if your luggage is costing more than your cruise drink package, maybe it's time to Marie Kondo your packing list. Let's be real. Packing light is an art, and some of us are still painting by numbers. So next time you're prepping for your cruise, remember? The ship's not going anywhere, but your back might if you drag all that stuff around. Pack light, or just admit you're moving in. And hey, tag your overpacking buddy in the comments, because we all know someone who needs to hear this. Bon voyage, and may your bags be light and your vacation stress-free.